Still here. I was looking at a video of SpaceX again, and before I saw some things that are strange, and I thought I made a quick analysis and share it with you guys. So let's go. This is the launch of the SpaceX rocket, and the first thing that I notice is the speed goes up linearly. So that means actually that we don't have a lot of acceleration. It's just a linear acceleration. We would expect that it goes quicker and quicker and quicker and quicker, and acceleration increases. But that doesn't happen because the rocket gets lighter and lighter. So the thrust is huge. So the more fuel you burn, the quicker the rocket will accelerate. But that basically doesn't happen until 1200 kilometers per hour, and now suddenly they turn a dial, and then the speed goes up suddenly. So it goes much quicker suddenly. So that is weird. The next thing that caught my eye was basically I go a little back. Uh, in a moment you will see uh, this black plastic foil moving, flapping. And the first question I have is like, what the hell is that? You know, if I build a rocket, am I going to wrap that in black plastic foil? Because that's what it is. This is nothing else than thin plastic foil, and it's flapping in the wind at 6,500 kilometers an hour. So, and why is it not? Why is it not? If it's plastic foil, why isn't it moving quicker? And if you have a little piece of plastic and you stick it out of your window when you drive 70 miles an hour, what do you think will happen? So how can we think that at 6,500 kilometers per hour this wouldn't completely tear apart? It's amazing that people think that this can be real. The other thing I noticed also interesting is there are a few loose pieces here. Uh, if you look at this image and you see on the background a beautiful CGI crap, but everything you see on this rocket is crazy. There are some loose hanging pieces here, and the first question is what is it, and the second question is why doesn't it fly off very quickly? You see that little piece here. Just go a few steps back. Let's see. Let's see it again. They're a little bit too far. Okay. You look at this. There's something hanging here. It just stays there. Here's a little. Oh, do that again. There's a little piece of white stuff that is flying off with a speed of about, let's say, 3 miles an hour. Excuse me, bit of a cold. Um, but that's impossible, it's laughable. This is just a joke. This is one big joke. Look at it again. Look at this piece here. Whoop, there it goes. Very slowly it flies off. That's not all. Then here is another piece here. Oh, yes, there's another piece that was hanging there for ages. You see on this tip here. Let's go back a little. There's a piece here. Look at this. There's a feather of a chicken that is got stuck in the studio, where they have a little setup where this is hanging, and they have a little ventilator blowing over it, because that's what it is. This is not real. It's absolutely fake. Here, look at again. A little piece there flying off, and it just stays hanging around there. It looks that little piece. Oh, that's also nice, just to show you again and again. Look at, there it goes. What is that? Here another. It's a little piece of, it's just chicken feather or something. I have no idea. But it shouldn't, it doesn't belong there, and if it flies off, it had to be ripped off at the start of the rocket. And now it's not done yet, because is a, there's more here uh, hanging loose, and it will come off. And instead of flying with flying into space, and you have that little piece of aluminium foil here. Look at that. It's just lying there. It's loose. It's not attached to anything, but it just stays there at 7,000 kilometers an hour, at 144 kilometers height. And let's see. Look at this here. It's lying there. Can you imagine? Is anybody? Are you bloody serious? If you believe this? Here's another piece. What is this doing here? It's the producer left his note there on the rocket. It's just lying there, and the ventilator, which is standing there, is flapping it around a little bit, the same as this thin plastic foil. It's a joke. The background is totally CGI. There's nothing real here. Absolutely nothing. Just to have some a few, maybe it's the kitchen lamp or something. They light there. After they recorded this, this is probably the kitchen lamp of the wife of a producer. And after this is recorded, they take it home back and hang it in the kitchen again. It's a joke. Look at this piece here. It's aluminium foil. It's just lying there. Here again. It's just a loose piece. It's not attached to anything. It's just impossible. Okay, but now for the nice part. Let's see if we can find that stuff here. It's amazing. Here, look at this. It's amazing. It makes you wonder, what world do we live in? Okay, just a short update on this one. Look at this sea. What do you see? Everybody who was on sea, and I was on the sea a lot. You see here high waves. You see the ship rocking up and down on high waves. If you plan something like this, land a rocket on a pontoon on the sea. What do you think? What day you would pick? If you go out sailing, you don't go out sailing when the sea is high. So what do? You pick a quiet day. Look at the waves and look at the ship rocking there. It's amazing. It's a storm out there, and you want to try to land a pencil backwards on a rocking ship. It's a total joke. Yeah, right. Everybody who believes this, I don't know. It's beyond any help. Look at this. Falcon 9 on board, he says. It's a joke. Absolute joke. Look at the ship. Look at how high the waves are. Look at the ship rocking here. It's amazing. Meters high waves. And you think you can land a rocket upside down? It's just amazing that people believe this. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much.